discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 GMC Acadia. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power liftgate, and remote keyless entry. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.